Hey guys, this is Erick Salgado. I am the Nasdaq Zero DTE analyst for the BHG Bank in Brazil, and I am also the founder of QuanticoCap.com. And today I'm going to show you how we traded the Zero DTE. And today is September 12, 2025. All right. So I'm going to go to my replay. So I'm gonna select the date today and 9:31. Okay, 9:31. This is what we were seeing on Triple Q. And remember that we read Triple Q and we trade the Nasdaq, right? So we follow the levels on Triple Q and we trade the Nasdaq, all right? So this is what we saw when the market opened, and this is what we did today. And again, when you are trading zero DTE, you know what the market's gonna do right there at the beginning of the day, okay? So what we have here, if you take a look on Gamma, let me make this a little bit bigger. If you take a look on Gamma, right, Quantico Gamma and the regular Gamma, you will see that 584 starts the negative Gamma, 584, all right? Starts the negative Gamma, and you will see 586 is a kind of a support because it's a big gamma bar. It is a support at first, but in the end of the day is calling the price all the way to 590. And this is kind of a big deal because we are today on September 12, we are already opening at all-time high on Triple Q. And when we are on the all-time high, people are always trying to sell. People are always trying to go down. And listen, the market maker really doesn't care if we are on the all-time high. The market maker only cares how he is going to hedge this market and protect his wallet, okay? So what we have here at the opening, we have the delta all positive, so you know that the institutions are buying, okay? You see that market maker will protect 84. It's a protection. Market maker doesn't want to go negative on delta. If we are already trading on positive delta, market maker will protect the negative delta, all right? And we have a very, very nice target on 86, 586, okay? All right, so what we did today, as the market opened on 85, we can start buying towards 86, right? Or since we know that 86 is kind of a bounce right here, it's kind of like a rejection level, a kind of a resistance, you can wait for the price to go all the way to 84, and then you can buy when we have the bounce all the way to 84. Now, the best way for you to do, like we have 6 setups of the market makers where I explain on my webinar. You can watch this webinar. I'm going to put the link below so you can watch this webinar later. But here, what do you have? If the price goes to 84, you have setup number 6. You're going to buy. There is a reason we're going to buy right here. It's negative gamma protection. If the price remains above 85, we have setup number 1. It is a bullish breakout towards the biggest gamma bar, towards 86, right? And if we get to the target and we see, by getting to the target, we see that we are losing negative delta and increasing positive delta, we can actually try to hold this trade a little bit more because there is a chance we can go up, okay? So today we have 2 possible setups. Market's gonna open, let's draw this line here. This is the 85. As long as we are above 85, we're gonna buy this thing all the way to 86, and maybe we can hold a little bit more. If this market goes down and touch 84, close or touch 84, or starts to show some reversion signals around 84, we're gonna buy because the negative gamma protection is actually the biggest and the strongest setup we have. All right, so this is what we were seeing at 9:31. All right, so I'm not reading a chart which is done. Okay, it's easy because we know what the market did, but this is the setup that I was talking to my users on the live training. We have the live trading room every day in the morning, 9:15, and we were ready to buy 84 and to buy if we actually broke 85, stay above 85, and we would sell the swing only if we were losing 84. Okay, below 84 we would sell all the way to 80, and then 80 would be setup number 4. Okay, so that was the structure of the market today. If we stay above 85, setup number 1, we buy. If we touch 84, setup number 6, we buy. Below 84, setup number 2, we sell. And on 580, we buy again, setup number 4. All right. Now, Eric, those setups work, man. You can tell me that's the month of September, right? So in September, today is the 12th, right? September, we only had one stop, and that was because that was that day that the Treasury sold $2 billion, or bought it, sorry, Treasury bought it $2 billion of its own debt and broke the structure of the market, and then we took like a 50 points stop. But on the same day, we were able to do another 80 points trade, so it was a green day. So every single day is green when you are trading with the market makers. This month, so far, we made 840 points, and actually, today's setup number 6 happened at 9:39, and we made 40 points on setup number 6. And that's the month of September. If you go to August, you will see that August we actually have 3,000 points on Nasdaq with zero stops. So the setups works, okay? And when we know what we're gonna do right there before the market opens, is even better. So let's see what the market did. Now I'm gonna go to the candlestick right here on triple Q. Remember that we read the triple Q, but we press the button on Nasdaq, all right? So the day started right here, going down, right? So that's 85. Let me see. This is 85. Okay. So the day started breaking below 85. So we are not set up in number 1 anymore. And then we touch 84 right here. On 84, it is, let me put on yellow. It is the setup in number 6. We bought it right there on this candle. How that works? You have the setup in number 6 right here on 84. You get close to 84, you have a green candle, you buy it, because this is the reversion on the level that you know that the market maker is going to protect. So we bought it right here, and we went all the way up, all right? Matter of fact, some of our users are still holding this trade all the way to 86, where we had the target, 86, right? But most of us, we left around the VWAP, so it was 40 points. On our journal, we are computing 40 points on this thing, okay? So that was the trade of the day. Then later, when we broke 85, and that's very important, when we broke 85, pay attention on this. We broke 85. This is just the first movement. We don't check the trade here. We wait to the confirmation. Then we went down and we confirmed right here. That's the confirmation of the breaking of 85. Then we bought it, okay? Once we bought it, made some money, got a little bit of hit. They stop of this trading. This trade would be losing 84, because even if we go down, we still have the negative gamma protection here. So if this trade right here on 85, where we bought it right here, even if this trade goes bad all the way to 84, here is a negative gamma protection. We're gonna put another contract. We're gonna bring our average price to this point, so it's pretty sure we're gonna save this trade. But in the end of the day, we didn't need it. So the setup, the trade number 1 was setup 6 right here. Trade number 2, it was setup number 1 right here. And we made some money, took some hit, and then we went down up all the way to 86. Now, the markets is actually still going up, but that was the trade that was we planned right there at 9:30 a.m. So when you are trading, the trader is the guy who executes the trade. So when the market opens, we are working as analysts. So we plan it. Okay, if the market goes down, I'm gonna buy this thing right here, and I'm gonna ride this trade all the way to 85 or all the way to the VWAP. And then when we break 85 and stay above 85, then I'm gonna buy again and go all the way to 86. So it was about 40 points here. It's something like 30 points here. It was a 70 points day with two trades, no hits, no hard time, all good. All right. So this is it. This is how you trade with zero DTE. Again, today is September 12th. And if you want to see the webinar when I explain all the setups, everything that we are doing, please click the link below. Or yes, it is pretty much click the link below, or you can go to go.tradelikeaninstitution.com start dash page. All right, here you're going to be able to see the webinar where I explain everything. Go tradelikeaninstitution.com slash start dash page. All right, then you're going to be able to see the whole explanation of the 6 setups. And again, guys, September, it was just one stop. August, no stops. This thing works like crazy, and you will know what you are going to do right there at 9:31, 9:32. You know everything that you're going to do during the day. All you have to do as a trader is to execute your trades. And again, this is the only and the best way for you guys to trade. Any other thing, any other indicator is just showing you what the price did, and we don't care about what the price did. What we care is I want to know before the market open where I gonna buy, where I gonna have the reversion, and why. Especially why, you have to ask yourself why, and where I gonna buy because I might have an acceleration, and why, and where the price is gonna stop and why. Okay, guys, so this is something that you're gonna be able to know before the market opens. Okay, so that's it. See you again. I'm gonna be posting every day the market analysis by the Greeks. So I'm gonna show you how to trade zero DTE every day here. And actually, if you are a Quantico Cap user, you will be able to watch those videos and make sure you did the right thing. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Bye bye.